This is how you're going to fix email delivery delays in Hostinger. So step 1 is you're going to check Hostinger's email status because sometimes email servers lag or have maintenance. So you can check that through the business email inbox. So you can find it right here. You're just going to have to make sure that the email servers are not logging and have no maintenance currently. So step 2 is you're going to make sure that your email plan is active and not over this sending limit. So you're just going to head over to your emails in the Hostinger dashboard, and then from here you're going to see your mailbox. You're going to click on manage, and then we're just going to see if this is actually still active. So you can see the expiration date right here, so we know that it is still active. Now you're going to also ensure that your email authentications like SPF DKIM is correctly set. So you can do that by clicking on or going over to the domain settings section right here, and then just click on manage, and then you will see this increased email deliverability. You will see all of the records right here and the expected records. You can also see this receive emails records right here. So all of your records you can find right here. So this makes sure that unverified emails may be delayed or throttled, and you can catch it early. Now step 4 is you're going to avoid sending large attachments. So make sure that you use lighter content. And then step 5, if your site sends via PHP mail, default switch to SMTP or authenticated sending, which is more reliable. Now you're also going to monitor email logs if your plan allows, and then look for queued or deferred status. If delays persist, contact Hostinger support with timestamps and message IDs. And that is how you're going to fix email delivery delays in Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.